Hey, what's happening, Stinky Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly
Weekly
heat.
heat. Yes, sir.
So these are the shoes that are coming out from 28th July through the 3rd of August. I'm gonna go ahead and start it off. So on July 30th, we do have a Jordan 1 Low SE. This one is called the Charlotte Hornets. This does come at a price point of 125. This is for men's, and this is a special edition. This colorway predominantly is white shoe, featured with purple hits throughout. It does have that teal Nike swoosh on the side. Looking at the bottom, we do see that teal at the bottom as well. Looking around to the back, we do see the standard Jordan Wings logo on the back. Overall, this is just a clean, simple shoe. I think if you're from Charlotte or, support the Charlotte Hornets, you will be trying to cop these. The only thing I don't understand is, again, Jordan Brand doing what they do. They just decided to throw in a third color of that orange Jumpman on the tongue, which I do not like. I wish they would have just, I don't know, made that black or something, maybe white, I don't know, teal. Just stay within the color blocking. Again, Jordan Brand doing what they do best, messing up the shoe. So because I am from North Carolina and what it represents, the Charlotte Hornets, I will be rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
It's a clean shoe. What I really like with Jordan Brand, be rocking those. Will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or drop.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on the same date, on July the 30th, Air Jordan 3, the Wings with a price point of 210. This shoe stands out. Jordan Brand is expanding, their Wings collection. This here is a nice way for Jordan Brand to give back to the community with the Wings Scholarship Program. This program here helps young people pursue their dreams regardless of their circumstances. So applaud Jordan Brand for giving back to the youth, right? This program, it really helps the youth. And what I really like about this is Jordan Brand is thinking about the next generation. So in saying that, hey, I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. But this shoe here is a shoe that really stands out to me because if you just looked at that all white upper gray elephant print on the toe and the heel overlay, then it has that Jumpman embroidered on the tongue. I really like that fire red Jumpman logo. But if you pay attention to the showcase of the pattern of that canvas, the way they got it faded into like roses, right? Hey, Jordan Brand really put some thought behind this shoe. And the materials that they use or have that very unique look. It looked like a classy shoe, right? Timing of the years coming out. This shoe really speaks summer, right? So, hey, round of applause there, Jordan Brand. You guys stepped it up with this one, with this design here. And then the message that it had behind the tongue, up rose, I too have thorns, right? And basically, that phrase there just speaks resilience and strength, So Jordan Brand, nice work there, right? Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But this is a clean shoe, price point 210. And I support that price point. Reason being, because what it's doing is giving back to the next generation. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. And saying all that, once again, I will be rocking those. We'll be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I'll be rocking these as well. And this is one of the first times we back shoes that we agree on. And basically because I'm rocking these because of the message. And then also, if you look at the back, it does have a unique pattern. It does have that Nike Air branding that we normally don't see. It's a clear. And also, if you notice real closely, there's a flower behind there, which I have never seen done before. So I think it is thinking outside the box. And as we know that whoever is designing for the women's female shoe, give them a round of applause because the women seem like they get all the best colors. We just hope that these come in extended sizes so people like my brother can put these on if they want to rock these. But overall, like my brother said, this is a very clean shoe, in my humble opinion. And if I was a female, I would definitely cop me a pair because, the threes are my favorite silhouettes. I will be rocking these. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So moving on to the final shoe of the week on August the 3rd, in lieu of the Olympics, we do have that iconic Jordan 6 Olympic, coming out at a price point of $200. As we know, these first released in 1991 when MJ wore these when he claimed his first championship. Now they were released again a second time in 2000, just in time for the Sydney Olympics. And now featuring premium leather with the icy outsole. We do have a chance to get these for the Paris Olympics. This rendition is the 2024 model. Again, this is a men's colorway. It does feature iconic colorways such as this. As you know, I just picked these up this year. Again, it'll be similar to this, except for you will have those patches of blue within the color blocking that we all like. I do think that the Olympic is a little bit more blue and white than these. This is a more plain with just a splash of blue. If I knew the Olympics were coming out, I probably wouldn't have pulled the trigger on these. But I did get these on sale, and who knows if the Olympics do tend to go on sale, I will be possibly picking me another pair of the Olympic. One thing I can say, to just my honest opinion, I don't know if they break in or not, but every time when I wear these shoes so far, they hurt my feet after a while. So about three hours in, they do hurt my feet, and I have put a different insole in them as well, my own personal insole, and still they end up hurting my feet. If you have any suggestions for that, just let me know down in the comments. But I do also have these Midnight Navy in the Jordan 3, so technically I don't really need another pair of Jordan 6s, the Olympics, but I am rocking these because this is an iconic colorway, which Jordan did play back in his day when he went to the Olympics. So again, this is a very clean colorway, just a splash of red, white, and blue. Let me know down in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? But what do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I mean, and with the Olympics going on, and it's fitting, right? It's a nice, clean shoe. So I will be rocking those. And I'm a fan of the 6s anyway. So I will be rocking those. But drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
So just so you know, they are coming in full family size. They will be coming out in grade school for $150. They will also be coming out in little kids for $90. And toddlers and infants will be $75.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.